Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action for the coming week from the daily time frame to 30 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for gold, US dollar currency pairs. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, June 26th, at 1:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs, and at 2:20 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs, and at 11 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. We don't have any high impact news in any of the major currency pairs, so we can expect low volatility in gold on Monday. But when we look at the economic events plan for Tuesday, we have multiple high impact news in many of the major currency pairs, so we can expect volatility on Tuesday 27th June. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the current trend of the price action from the support level of 1812, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend, again to bounce back on the retracement, and after taking support on the support level of 1975, we have noticed a price action to retest or retry to break this previous high, but we can notice that the candle has closed below the previous high, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And when we look at the candlesticks pattern, it has formed a double top pattern and it has given a bearish side trend reversal. So we can expect the price action to retrace to the level where it started its bullish side bounce back. And currently also the price action is in a bearish side retracement, and if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on the previous support level. And only when the price action breaks the previous low, which is going to be around 1800, we can expect the trend reversal on the bearish side in daily time frame. Till this support level of 1800, it is only a retracement on the bearish side. It is not a bearish side trend reversal. And during this bearish trend also, we have noticed a price action to give a consolidation, then to fall on the bearish side, and we can expect a one more consolidation, then to fall on the bearish trend. These consolidations are very important. Bearish trend or the bullish trend to continue. On the bullish side also, we have noticed a consolidation before continuing its current trend. So when we look at the next support level, previously this zone had acted as a support zone, and currently the price action has given breakout from this support zone, and we can expect the price action to test the next level of support, which is going to be between 1900 to 1890 or 1880. And once this support zone is breached, next level of support is going to be around this area, which was the neck level of the double bottom pattern. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, I am drawing a trend line connecting the previous high, and since the price action is trading below this resistance line, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. But since the price action has breached this support level, we can expect it to test this next level of support, and even if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, we can expect it to take resistance on this trend line and this resistance zone, and to continue its bearish side retracement. So these are all the selling opportunities whenever the price action tests these resistance levels. I would recommend you to always trade with the trend. Currently the trend is on the bearish side, so always look for a selling opportunity. Don't take trades when the price action bounces back from these support levels. This is called trading against the trend, and the risk is very high if you trade against the trend. And when we compare the support levels using the Fibonacci tool also, now the price action has taken support on the 61% of the Fibonacci support level, which is around 1907. And once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 78% of the Fibonacci level, which is around 1864. You can notice that on the left hand side also, these are all the liquidity zones where we can expect the price action to trend to grab the liquidities around these areas. And only when the price action breaks the previous high, which is going to be around 1983, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start. And the price never trades in a very straight line, it always goes in a zigzag pattern. Don't misunderstand it as a trend reversal and take trades against the current trend. So since the price action has tested this support level of 61% of the Fibonacci level, we can expect it to bounce back to retest this trend line or the resistance line or the resistance zone and to continue with current bearish trend. So the values in black color boxes and the green color boxes are the resistance zone and the support zone for the current price action. These are all the ranges where we can expect the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and these are all the ranges on the bullish side where we can expect the price action to find resistance and bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1907 to 1887. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1907 to 1887, next level of support is going to be around 1863 and 1846. And if the price action takes support and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance zone is going to be between 1955 to 1937. And if the price action breaks this resistance zone, next level of resistance is going to be around 1968 to 1983. And the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the current price action in 4 hours time frame, I have drawn a bearish channel pattern or a support zone, and we can notice that the price action has respected this support zone, and the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend. Currently it has taken support on the higher trend line of the support zone and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement, and currently it is finding resistance at the resistance level of 1937. And as we already know, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. And the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a bearish trend. Whenever it tests this bearish trend line, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and currently the price action has taken support on the 4 hours time frame bearish trend line and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. But we have a very strong resistance zone from the daily time frame also. But again, these are all the zones where we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend for now, and it has tested this resistance line of the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to enter into the bullish side trade, or wait for the price action to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. Breaking means the candle has to close above this trend line or the resistance line. For now, this level of 1938 is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. Since the price action is forming into an triangle pattern, we can expect it to give a breakout in order to grab the liquidity around this area and to continue its bearish trend in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1920 and the resistance level of 1930. If the price action breaks the support level of 1920 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1907 and 1892. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes the support on the current support level of 1920 and continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1930, 1937, 1943, 1949, 1956 and 1967. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line of the hourly time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1920 and resistance level of 1927. If the price action breaks this current support level of 1920 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1910. And please refer the higher time frame support levels for the bearish side targets. And on the bullish side, if the price action continues its current bullish trend, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1927, 1932, 1937, 1945 and 1954. And when we look at the current price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is forming a similar to one head and shoulder pattern, which means that once the price action breaks this next level, which is going to be around 1916, we can expect the bearish side retracement continue and to take support on the 4 hours time frame, bearish trend line or the support line. Or else you can also draw a trend line like this. Once the price action breaks this trend line, we can freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 30 minutes time frame, because the overall trend of the price action in the higher time frame is in a bearish trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.